Okay, today we are talking about installing a sump pump. So the sump pump we'll be installing today is a 3rd horsepower 120 volt sump pump. It has a cast iron body, so it's a nice heavy duty construction. It's controlled by a vertical float switch, and it has 1.5 inch female national pipe thread on the outlet. And it costs $154 at Home Depot as of September 2022. But you can buy these at Lowe's, Ace Hardware, Granger, McMaster Car, Home Depot, eBay, Amazon, just about anywhere, even Harbor Freight. So this is the PVC glue that I use. Again, it's got the primer and the glue in one package. And so you can see I glued the 1.5 inch adapter to the PVC pipe. And then, I know there's some different opinions about whether or not you should use Teflon tape on PVC pipe. Some people say absolutely not. In my professional experience, I found what works best is a little bit of Teflon tape and a little bit of pipe dope over the Teflon tape. And I never had any problem with that. But again, the concern with threaded plastic pipe connections is you don't want to over tighten them where they crack or break, etc. So we then install the discharge pipe onto the sump pump, and then we drill a 3/16 diameter weep hole or relief hole right there in the side of the discharge pipe. And that acts like a relief hole, so when the pump shuts off and that one-way check valve is closed, that water pressure inside there has a place to relieve itself. And then again, there's your one-way check valve. This one attaches with the rubber couplers and the stainless steel clamps. And this one's nice because it's for 1.25 to 1.5 inch diameter. And then you see I marked my PVC pipe with a black marker, so I'll cut it to the proper height after I put the sump pump down into the sump. I then cut the pipe, install it, and then remember, before you actually connect your discharge pipe to that rubber coupler, you want to make sure you slide your plastic cover on first and feed your power cord up through that center hole, and then attach the rubber coupler to the discharge pipe. And then it's a good idea to keep the owner's manual nearby for future reference. And then what I usually do is pour a couple buckets of water into the sump just to test the unit to make sure it's working properly. And you're good to go. I hope this video helped. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching.